All right, everybody, so we just got done having an epic meal with our sausage and peppers and onion sandwiches. But right now, I'm gonna make Spam Musubi and wanted to show you nice and slow and easy how I do it. So what we've got here is I've got short grain rice that's been cooked, and then I've added rice wine vinegar that's got salt and sugar in it. Mixed it, let it soak, let it cool down. It's a little higher than room temperature still, but that's okay because the Spam's hot food anyways. So got a little bowl of water, moisten my hands with so that the rice doesn't stick to them, and then close the seaweed. Got a nice bowl of barbecued Spam right here, and it's soaking in a spicy teriyaki sauce. Just getting some flavor on it. So when I cut the Spam, I ended up with 7. So we'll have 6 nice healthy ones and have a 7th one that I'm going to cut in half, and Andrew and I are each going to try because we're both absolutely stuffed. We each had 3 sandwiches with the peppers and sausage. He did it first, so who am I to say no? All right, so I've got this mold. I've said it before. This came from Hawaii. I'm pretty sure that Amazon's got them, and it's just a Spam Musubi mold for pressing the rice down. It's pretty handy. So I've taken the nori, the seaweed, I've cut it in half, size that fits, shiny side down. I'm gonna put a piece of Spam here with all that deliciousness on it. Put the little form around it. Spam pieces are getting bigger than the form. Grab some rice here, put it down into it. I'm going to put a little bit more just to make them healthy. Put the press in, press it down, wiggle it around. Take the form off, take the press off. Take the seaweed, fold it up and over one side, bring the other side over, a little bit of water just to moisten it, and there we have. We've got a single layer Spam Musubi. Some people do rice on both sides. I don't. Whatever you want to do. This is a special treat though. And once again, Andrew's saying, hurry up, I want my Spam. Yep. So if you're wondering, a lot of people will use sushi rice, sushi grade rice. This is just Cal Rose. So it works out really well. I have sushi grade rice at the house, but no reason to use it if Cal Rose works out just fine. Alright you guys, first time ever in the world maybe, double smoked sausage with peppers, onions, and cheese, Musubi. There it is. There you go, Andrew. Thank you. I'm going with the pepper one first. Mmm. Mmm. All right, you guys. I hope this helps you when you make your musubi. I hope you're able to see what I was doing. You know, a nice little stack of 6 here that we'll split up, and we'll both be eating them later today, I'm sure. So, anyways, you guys take care, and if you got any questions, ask them. We'll answer them. Thank you.